Hello and welcome back to Smart Pest Tech. Ants are common household pests that can be quite a nuisance when they invade your living space. However, there are several effective methods you can use to eliminate them and prevent future infestations. In this video, we will explore various strategies to get rid of ants in your home using simple and practical approaches. Number 1. Maintain cleanliness and hygiene. The foundation of any effective ant control strategy is maintaining a clean and hygienic home environment. Ants are attracted to food crumbs, spills, and open containers. Establish a routine of regular sweeping and mopping to keep floors clean and wipe down countertops and surfaces daily. Pay special attention to the kitchen area where food is prepared and stored. Store food items in airtight containers to deny ants easy access to potential food sources. A proactive approach to cleanliness is the first line of defense against ant infestations. Number 2. Seal entry points. Ants are remarkably adept at finding their way into homes through tiny cracks and openings. Conduct a thorough inspection of your home, identifying potential entry points, and seal them with precision. Utilize caulk to seal gaps around windows, doors, and any other openings. Regularly check for cracks in the foundation and walls, promptly repairing any vulnerabilities. By denying ants entry into your home, you are significantly reducing the likelihood of infestations and fortifying your defenses against these persistent pests. Number 3. Use natural repellents. Nature provides us with a range of substances that act as effective ant repellents. Citrus peels, cucumber slices, and coffee grounds are known to repel ants. Strategically place these items near entry points, along ant trails, or in areas with high ant activity. Essential oils such as peppermint, cinnamon, and tea tree oil can also serve as potent ant deterrents. Create a solution by mixing a few drops of these oils with water and use it to spray ant-prone areas. Number 4. Use ant baits and traps. Commercially available ant baits and traps can be valuable tools in your battle against ant infestations. These products typically contain attractive baits that lure ants in. Once the ants consume the bait, they carry it back to their nest, effectively eliminating the entire colony. Follow the product instructions meticulously, placing the baits in areas where ants are commonly seen. Exercise patience, as it may take some time for the bait to take full effect and eradicate the colony. Number 5. Professional pest control. If your ant infestation persists despite your diligent efforts, it may be time to seek professional pest control services. Pest control professionals possess the expertise to identify the specific ant species infesting your home and can apply targeted treatments. Additionally, they can offer valuable advice on preventing future infestations. While professional services come at a cost, the long-term benefits of a pest-free home often outweigh the initial investment, providing peace of mind and a comfortable living environment. That's all for now. Like and share the video and follow us for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.